Hello everyone, my name is Nitish Kumar. I'm a student of 4th year, Integrated BSc B.Ed Mathematics, Department of Education, Central University of Tamil Nadu. In this video, we are going to see about one assistive tool for disabled students. Before we start, we need to know what is assistive technology. Assistive technology is any item, piece of equipment, software program, or product system that is used to increase, maintain, or improve the functional capabilities of persons with disabilities. This technology helps people who have difficulty in speaking, typing, writing, remembering, seeing, hearing, learning, walking, or any other things. Different disabilities require different assistive technology. The one such technology that we are going to see today is reading pen. Now, reading pen is potentially an essential product for people with reading or vision difficulties. Reading printed text allowed simply by swiping the pen over a line or two at a time. The reading pen has a simple premise, that is, to scan the line of text you are trying to read and it will read it aloud for you in a human sounding voice. It uses optical character recognition and OLED display that shows the text the device has recognized before storing it in pen's memory. From this diagram, as you can see that it has displayed the various parts of that reading pen. As you can see here, we have optical scanning head to scan printed text, keypad for easy navigation. There is one screen from where we can that whatever text that it is scanning that will be displayed over there. Then we have one inbuilt speaker in there. Then we have earphone socket for private listening. Now, how the reading pen works. We can simply run the pen across any printed text or book or novel or newspaper or anything it is where text is there. Then that pen, it will read the text aloud. That can be in British English or it can be in American English as well. Hello. Now, the benefits of using a reading pen. It helps students to expand vocabulary. Now, when we are going through any kind of text, we can come across various words whose meanings we don't know. So, when we are using this reading pen, it will help us to highlight those words, and it has an option that it will help us to know the exact meaning of that word then and there itself. Then it helps us to learn how to correct our pronunciation. Since it is a text to speech kind of technology, so it will pronounce the words that it will be scanning along with it. So for example, if there is some word whose pronunciation we don't know, then this device will automatically pronounce that word for us, and by this way we'll be able to know the pronunciation of many other words as well. Then students gain confidence when reading and stress reduction. We already know that reading is a kind of habit, but there are many instances where students they find reading as very hard thing, a very difficult job. But since there are so much features available in this tool like dictation, pronunciation, and vocabulary and all, so it will help to the students to gain confidence among themselves, and they will enjoy reading as well. And then when they will be able to use this tool successfully, so it will develop a feel of relief for them, and then they will be excited to use this tool further, and thus it will help us to help them to reduce their stress also. Then it gives user a sense of control over their studies. For many students with learning disabilities, the greatest frustration is that they don't have a level playing field. Dyslexic students have the frustration of watching their peers read through the content with ease and breeze ahead to the top of the class. But the society, they think that these are less intelligent students. It's not that they are less intelligent, but they are physically disadvantaged, and that thing needs to be overcome. So this kind of reading pen, it will help people with dyslexia to overcome a barrier that had disadvantaged them their whole lives. Then there are various other benefits of reading pen, and few of them are summarizing and note taking. Any text read by the pen is captured and saved, so we can download it to a PC, laptop, or tablet, anything. The transferred text can be edited, manipulated, and stored using standard word processing software, for example, Microsoft Word. Then other benefit is dictionary. As I have already mentioned before also, the integrated electronic dictionary allows the user to scan a word and have the definition displayed, read aloud, and repeated. A history list of the words learned in this way can be saved to the pen. Then another benefit is speech recording and transcription. The reading pen is able to record speech, for example, a lecture in which you cannot take the notes down fast enough. The pen will record the lecture's voice and download the lecture to our PC or any device as editable text as well. So these are the benefits that we get using a reading pen. If we will talk about the cost, it's not much costly, like it's in an affordable range as well. Now, who is it for? Now, what are the people that can use this tool? All who prefer to work independently but do not have sufficient reading skills, they can be benefited using this tool. Then students with learning difficulties like dyslexia and who have physical limitations such as sight issues or blindness, they will be benefited using this tool. So this was all about reading pen. I hope you guys get to know something about reading pen and how you will be able to share this informations with other as well. So thank you. And I have added my references over here. From here I have collected my information